A recent photograph of Chivhayo at Robert Mugabe International Airport has ignited a firestorm of speculation of criticism as observers question his motives amid ongoing legal scrutiny. Achipene mushe muri Zimbabwe pane picture Chivhayo anoonekwa paInternational Airport yaRobert Mugabe zvinzi aiwa Chivhayo arimbozama kudadi arikuda kutiza here sambine masvika kuda zvinenge kwaitiwa pano paZim I not bo subscribe like kuti on the bell icon because everyone is now confused say Chivhayo asiri kubatwa ndonyera vachiti Chivhayo, a prominent figure in Zimbabwean business and politics, has found himself embroiled in controversy following the leak of an incendiary audio recording where he alleged boasted about influence over presidential and state affairs. The image, which surfaced on social media platforms, depicts Chivhayo navigating the airport premises, prompting concerns about his intentions and potential legal implications. Critics and commentators alike have seized upon the photography as evidence of attempts to evade accountability or seek refuge abroad. One observer, who preferred to remain anonymous, voiced skepticism over Chivhayo's presence at the airport, stating it raises suspicions that he may be attempting to escape legal repercussions. No mashuwa kuda pana zvinzi Chivhayo involvement yake kana kuonekwa kwakaitwa pa-airport zviratidza kuti mukomana anga ari kutiza nawo dzekutsvakwa kwake kana kuti azouya azotaura pamusoro pekuswanda ma-state resources zvinzi Chivhayo anenge akuevada anenge akutiza. Tudze mafungiro enyu pinai comment section medu, subscribe kulike channel on the bell icon.